Hello and welcome to Microsoft Word 2021 Basic Tutorial. My name is Sam Farzad, your instructor of this course. In this course, you will learn Microsoft Word easily, quickly, and correctly to make your own personal or business documents for any purpose. Together, we will go forward step by step from the very beginning, from the Home tab to the next, one by one, and learn how to use tools and most useful features of Microsoft Word to create, design, manage, and publish your documents or printing. You will learn working with text and paragraphs, styles, themes, objects such as table, chart, shapes, or so, and working with equations, references, header and footer, and many more. Also, I provided assignments and quizzes for you to examine yourself, and I will check your assignments and will assist you if you have any difficulty. By finishing this course, you will be able to create or design most documents you need for various applications with all contents such as graphics, text, and other elements you might need. This course covers both Windows and Mac versions, and note that you could follow most topics of this course on older versions and even Microsoft Word 365 online. This course continuously will update, and an intermediate course also will be available soon. So join me in this journey and enjoy your new skills in Microsoft Word.